Alright, so dito tayo ngayon para sa new update ng NerikoMC. Changes regarding the shops and how they will, how are you going to use it. So basically, normally, what the players use is just the chess shop. Uh, and since we had a building event, and I had our players to create to build a spawn, which is this is the new spawn. That is nice. That is been built by Carlo, our former builder, and he did a pretty good job. And this is one of Wobble's build. This is his shopping district for being a top three. So because of the design of his shop, I had to change the how the shop works or how's the shop. Since there are rooms in every floor, players will be able to rent specific rooms depending what they want, and they'll be able to sell items. Just like on this one on JJ's, you will see here that even though there's an NPC, he didn't put any items in here because masanay siya. He knows how to use this chess shop, so he decided to use chess shop for selling items. Because once you rent this area, you'll be able to build anything in here. But if you were not able to, let's say, claim it or rent it, you won't be able to build in here. Anyway, this is how you're going to rent your shop or rent a shop or rent a room in here. So let me explain you this information first. So rent, this is called shop, all right? Price will be 1,000 every 12 hours. And size is 36 inventory for the NPC. This is what it looks like, this area. Now, what you're gonna do is just simply right click this one or simply tap it, or I think it's tap and hold for Bedrock. But for Java, right click on it. You'll see options in here, cancel, accept, and the information. You're just gonna click the accept. It will change it to your name and it will show up your skin in here at the same time your name. But the skin won't work on Bedrock, unfortunately, because, well, I don't know. And skin will works only if you are a premium account or you have premium account. So, once you get in here, what you're gonna do, let's say, well, you're gonna put chest shops or I mean like chests in here. This will be the containers of your items that you want to sell, or containers will be used if you're buying items. So let's say we're going to sell spruce log. If you want to buy sell per stack, you can hold the whole 64. But if you want to sell per piece, just hold one piece. So you can type here slash p shop and then sell item and then the price. Let's say I'm going to sell it for $100 per piece. So once they right click this one or they tap and hold there interact with this NPC, then they click buy, it will show the item that I'm selling. But that's not it. Make sure, yeah, as you can see, I put, oh yeah, I have it. You will put the spruce slugs in there in the chest so that when they buy, it will go here, and then that's the transactions is going to happen, and then this will be lessened. So it will go down to 62, 61, 60, and so on. And if you want to, let's say you want to buy some golden apple, you can type p shop buy item and then the price for it. So when it will pick any containers that are available, and then so that when they click sell, they'll be able to get 1,000 per stock. As you can see here, since I hold the whole 64, so when someone sells something to me, it will be priced as 1,000. But actually, I don't recommend putting a whole 64 thing since it's hard to compute for it. I mean, for your own. Or if you don't want to use the NPC, you can just simply just do the normal shop or traditional shop, which is just hitting this one, put the price, and it will show here. You're gonna put there the item, and it goes now to selling 100 each for melon size. If you want to buy, just type US buy. If you want to buy this, and then QS remove if you don't want to. So, and also, once you change in here, almost forgot that one. You're gonna tap here or right click on it, and as you can see here, you can activate or deactivate your shop. There will be an information here when your rent 8 date, and if it's gonna pay auto. Rent price is 1,000 for every 12 hours. You should always click this one, extend rent, because if in any case you gonna lose when the rent expired, then you will lose the shop. And I think the item as well, or whatever it is in that area, it will be removed. Now, yeah, that I think that is pretty much it in here, and you can design your shop depending on what you're liking, and you can visit other shop if in any case once they created their own. So thank you for watching and enjoy playing Neriko MC. Bye.